Wednesday, November 4th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let's begin with a look from the web camera there atop the high country there in Banner Elk, courtesy of resortcams.com. Kind of wet up there in the mountains as well. The temperature there in Banner Elk sitting at 52. Certainly that is a relatively mild November morning underway. Here's a peek at the Charlotte time-lapse imagery throughout the day yesterday. Lots of low clouds, some drizzle, some showers at times. Did see a couple of peaks of sunshine in a couple of spots, but by and large, a lot of cloud cover yesterday throughout the day, and that's going to continue to be the case again for today as well. In fact, pretty good shower chances from time to time as we roll through the course of today. Your temperatures yesterday in the 60s. Now, you notice around the Carolinas, it was much warmer, pretty much off to our northwest and south. You had some 70s. Even a couple of 80s involved off to our southwest, but temperatures definitely held down by the clouds and the wedge in many spots yesterday. Triad area, 60s for highs out there, 64 in Winston-Salem, 67 in Reedsville, 63 the high in Asheboro. Similar highs around the Charlotte viewing area yesterday afternoon. A couple of really nice fall photos. This is from the Mayo River State Park up in Rockingham County. Great shot there. Should get toward the tail end of the fall color season. And here's a great photo from near Robbinsville on a brighter, sunnier day. Look at that. That was fantastic stuff there. And we love seeing these fall color and weather-related photos. Keep them coming. NC Weather at twcnews.com. Make sure you include your name and your location. Temperatures, as I cut the video, which is during the 5 o'clock hour this morning, upper 50s and lower 60s in the Piedmont, closer to the mid 60s to around 70 near the coast, a little bit cooler up in the mountains. And some showers out there. We've had showers relatively prevalent across parts of the Triad area as we've gone through the course of this morning. As you take a peek off to the south, you see more showers developing down into South Carolina, and I think that trend continues. This is going to be a day that's fairly favorable for these showers to develop off to the south and lift north throughout the course of today. So just kind of a day that favors shower chances across the region. Again, it's been pretty wet since Sunday morning. It's pretty generous rain amounts in a good number of locations over the past several days. A wet start to the month of November. For instance, in Greensboro, you're over 2 inches of rain now for the month. That's a surplus of 1 3/4 in the young month of November. All right, so here's the deal. Clouds, some showers, this lingering wedge with us for today. So temperatures again held in check for our Wednesday. There's your highs. Looking like that. Now, as you get into tomorrow, the wedge erodes. There will attempt to be some peaks of sunshine across the region, especially the further south and east you go in the Carolinas. Next cold front still too far west to play a role, so really not a great chance of any rain tomorrow in terms of any organized rain. And temperatures creeping upward for your Thursday. And it should be a pretty warm Friday just ahead of this incoming front. So for Friday, we'll call it partly sunny to mostly cloudy, and Friday's high temperatures looking nice. Look at that. Nice Friday afternoon weather. And then we get this cold front in here, and the timing really hasn't changed a great deal. So at this point, unfortunately, Saturday looks like a wet day. So some rain for Saturday, and then that cold front sweeps to the southeast. Much chillier air begins to take over starting Saturday night and into Sunday. For instance, here's a snapshot of what we're going with for some high temperatures Sunday afternoon. This would be with a good deal of sunshine building in, much cooler. So the cooler weather definitely taking hold. Lows by Monday morning in many spots probably getting well down into the 30s. Probably some 50s again for highs on Monday afternoon too. Tropics, pretty quiet. No sign of any trouble through the Gulf, Caribbean, Western Atlantic. All is relatively quiet across the Atlantic Basin. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.